Question number 81. Mediterranean regions are useful for A. Fruit growing, B. Wine production, C. Tourism, D. All of these. And the correct answer is D. All of these. Question number 82. An event that changes directions with the seasons is known as A. Cyclone, B. Hurricane, C. Monsoon, and D. Earthquake. And the correct answer is C. Monsoon. Question number 83. The largest latitude circle on the earth is A. Arctic Circle, B. Tropic of Cancer, C. The Equator, D. Tropic of Capricorn. And the correct answer is A. Arctic Circle. Question number 84. World's largest delta is A. India, B. Sri Lanka, C. Japan, D. Bangladesh. And the correct answer is D. Bangladesh. Question number 85. What is meant by equinox? Equinox. A. Day and nights are equal, B. The longest night, C. The longest day, D. None of these. And the correct answer is A. The day and night are equal. Question number 86. What is meant by solstice? A. The longest night, B. When sun reaches its maximum distance from Earth's equator, C. When sun goes through equator, D. None of these. And the correct answer is B. When sun reaches its maximum distance from Earth's equator is called solstice. Question number 87. The seasons change because the Mercury is attracting the sun, Earth is revolving around the sun, C. Earth is spinning its axis, D. Moon is revolving around the sun. And the correct answer is B. Earth is revolving around the sun. Question number 88. What is the age of Earth? A. 4600 million years, B. 6200 million years, 5500 million years, 4500 million years. And the correct answer is C. 5500 million years. Question number 89. Antarctica is situated in the A. North Pole, B. South Pole, C. Eastern Hemisphere, D. Western Hemisphere. And the correct answer is B. South Pole. Question number 90. Which continent is called the Dark Continent? A. Europe, B. North America, C. Africa, D. Antarctica. And the correct answer is C. Africa.